Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here. Today's Sunday and I was just doing some Sunday reading and I came across an article that I thought was really intriguing and I wanted to share some of that with you here today. So let's go ahead and take a look. Right here, it's talking about the U.S. household paying no income tax. It hits 61% of Americans did not pay any income tax in 2020. I thought this article was interesting. I knew the number was there and I knew it was high, but I did not realize that 61% paid no federal income taxes in 2020. Guys, that's 106 million people, 75 million in 2019. Guys, last year it compares to 43% over the past 5 years of the pre-pandemic. It says here the number of families owing no federal income taxes is projected to remain high in 2021 at approximately over 100 million households, or 57%, according to several estimates. Now, it goes on to say that there are several reasons why this is happening. Some of the federal assistance measures, as it says here, it says tax-free unemployment benefits. They expanded the child tax credits during the pandemic. And then it also goes on that the households with paying or making $28,000 a year actually will pay nothing in income taxes, and potentially about 3/4 of family earning between $28,000 and $55,000 will not be paying any IRS federal income taxes. Now, I thought this was really interesting because for many of us out there or watching this channel, you probably make income and you're like, well, I paid my federal taxes. How do I not pay my federal income taxes? So I wanted to take the remainder of this video and talk about a few different tax evasion strategies, legal tax evasion strategies. And I should be very abundantly clear that this is not tax advice. I am not a professional. I'm a guy on YouTube giving you my opinion on ideas that I'm currently using or ideas that I've heard about and have seen other people use. So with that being said, let's go over a few different areas where you can actually reduce your taxable income and hopefully maybe even pay nothing to the IRS when it comes to federal taxes. So let's start off if you are an employee. If you're an employee, you have some limitations. However, you can buy real estate even as an employee, and you can claim depreciation on that property up to 27 years divided. So you basically take the price of the property divided by 27 years, and that's the amount that you can reduce in your taxable income every single year for 27 years. You also can reduce it by your expenses on that property and reducing the amount you're owing in taxes. In addition to that, you have availability to a 401k. And currently this year in 2021, the maximum amount that you can contribute to a 401k is about $19,500. So literally you can put $19,500. If you make $100,000 a year, you can almost take $20,000 and reduce your taxable income down to $80,000. And now that money can grow in a retirement account tax-free. You also have access to traditional and Roth IRAs where contributions are around $6,000, $6,500 currently. You will want to talk to a tax professional, an investment professional on that to get the exact amounts. But as an employee, you're able to start contributing towards those items to reduce your taxable income. But what is really exciting for me is what you have as potential when you start owning your own business. If you own your own business or are self-employed, you actually can now open up an S Corp or a C Corp and start paying yourself quarterly in quarterly taxes. As a result, through the tax structure, you can reduce your taxable income or the amount that you're paying in Medicare taxes just by opening an S Corp or a C Corp. So you want to look into that further. In addition to that, if you don't have any employees, you can also open up a solo 401k. And guys, what is crazy in a solo 401k, you can contribute up to $56,000 per year, potentially. to this retirement account as a business owner. Because when you're a business owner, you're an employer and you're also the employee. And because of that, there's different qualifications. $56,000 a year that you can contribute, that could drastically reduce your taxable income on a yearly basis. You can also look at SEP IRAs where you can contribute up to 25% of your taxable income, which there's different pros and cons. So you'll want to talk to, obviously, your tax professional, tax advisor to find out what is going to be better for you. In addition to that, guys, you can actually buy real estate like we talked before. Whether you own your own business or not, buying real estate, you can depreciate the property, the expenses on the property. You can get a tax deduction for that. But what I really like is the ability to create a self-directing retirement account within these IRAs. The self-directing IRA allows you not just to invest in mutual fund, ETFs, or all these different type of stock accounts, stock-like structured accounts. But a self-directed IRA allows you to invest in non-traditional forms of investment, like small businesses. If you have that $56,000 that you just put away tax-free and you found a business that you want to invest in, you can invest into that business, and any of the revenue that's generated from that is tax-free. That is through a self-directing IRA. And obviously, you're going to need a custodial, somebody to manage these accounts to make sure it's set up correctly with the IRS. But guys, reading this article today, I was just like, man, it would be good for people to know that, not just people that are middle income, low income are going to be also getting these significant tax breaks by not having to pay tax or pay federal income taxes. But for those of you that want to invest, want to build wealth, there are ways for you to avoid paying taxes in a legal way. And these are just a few ways that I just want to mention to you guys. So thanks for watching. A little bit different video here, one shot take. Thanks for watching. I love you all. If you like videos like this and you want to get more like this, give me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it. I appreciate you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.